Welcome. In this episode, we go through the maintenance that we've been doing on the boat and also upgrades. And best of all, we get to see the whales. The biggest addition has been the water maker. We will never have to worry about running out of fresh water again. This is super exciting for us. It was a bit of a tight squeeze, but Tony managed to get it set up beautifully in the engine bay.
Let's write a song, wake up the melody. If you're looking for me, baby, know you can find me. Follow the sun.
Next were fender holders. It was always a right pain walking over the fenders when they were on the deck and we were trying to fish. So now we have 4 fabulous fender holders up on the fly bridge. And we also cleaned the water filter because I don't think it's ever been cleaned once in its life. Gross. We had also decided that we needed more freezer space, so we bought ourselves a portable fridge freezer and Tony put it up on the fly bridge. Mostly it will be run by solar, but we also have power to it if we need to. He was super clever and put the solar controller inside a plastic container and attached it to the rail to keep it out of the weather. Clever man.
Don't fear the road, just come along with me. You're not alone out there. Let's write a song, wake up the melody. If you're looking
And the solar panel will act as a sun shield over the top of the freezer. Ah yes, the safety boots. And then there was also the deep cycle battery in the battery box. And in goes the fridge freezer.
the way home, taking on a journey. I got places to go. Wanna chase a miracle. It's possible. You just gotta open the door. Darling, it's cold out there.
Safety boots were in order again for the oil change. This turned out to be a bit of a drama.
Let's write a song, wake up the melody.
The oil pump that we used to drain the oil just didn't want to play the game. It took a while to convince it to work. After a few attempts, finally it was done, new oil. Birds on P-arm were a right pain in the butt, so we had to come up with an ingenious way to keep them off.
Maybe I don't wanna know the way home, taking on a journey. I got places to go. Wanna chase a miracle.
Even got flash and bought ourselves an ice maker and we put the mix master on the boat. Bread rolls it was and hot dogs for dinner.
Just come along with me. You're not alone out there. Let's write a song, wake up the melody. If you're looking for me, baby, know you can find me. Follow the sun. Somewhere running up my
Then there was some anode checking and some bum cleaning.
the sun. Follow the sun.
please.
And being race week, we had to contend with some of these big boys. They were pretty awesome out on the water. And the little fellas put on a pretty good show too. Easily the best time on the water was seeing the whales. They never ceased to amaze me, and yes, there were more tears. And despite a few sharks, the fishing was actually not so bad this time. And Cooper were out in the water too, so rafted alongside for a few hours and fished with us. Then it was girls on. tide and wind in our favour on the way home. We hit a big 9 knots. That's pretty fast for us. So it was a good trip back. This was our last practice run before we spend more time on the water than on land. It was a lovely weekend and we're really looking forward to what life holds ahead. Until next time, thanks heaps for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you soon.